Hi everyone, this is Dave, and in today's video I'm showing you the August DA100D. This is a 10.1 inch HD digital analog TV and multimedia player. The August DA100D comes supplied inside the box with some additional cables, and they also include this 3-pin UK power supply. Now we get an aerial cable inside the box, but we also get this telescopic aerial. They both connect to the same port here on the back. This is ideal for use if the unit's being used fully portable, but if you want to actually connect the aerial socket to a loft mounted or roof mounted aerial, then you can do that. Now you might be wondering, what's the point of having a telescopic aerial on a portable television that needs to be plugged into the mains? Well, in fact, we have got a compartment here on the back, and this allows you to actually run the screen from standard AA batteries, and you can use either standard alkaline batteries or rechargeable ones. Now let's have a look across this top edge here. This is where we've got all of the various controls for the screen, and from left to right we've got a power on off button and also play pause menu. We've also got some other track control buttons, and then we've got channel and skip buttons, volume, and also a mode button along the far edge. If we take a closer look at the connectivity along the right hand edge, we've got the input for the power supply, a small LED light, an AV input, headphone output, micro SD card slot, and this is used so that you can actually play back media from the micro SD card. Then we've got an HDMI socket, and then last but not least a USB socket as well, so you can actually plug in a USB flash drive and play back media from that too. One last connector worth noting is we have got a standard tripod threaded mount on the bottom of the screen, so you could use this at a push to mount on a tripod or the top of a camera if you wanted to use it to monitor a camera's output. Round on the back we have also got this stand, which is a reasonably good angle, so you can actually put this in two different positions to get a comfortable viewing angle. We've also got two keyholes at the top, so you can mount this on a wall, and the little tiny grills that we're seeing in the top edges here on the corners, these are actually where the speakers are located. So what we've essentially got here is a full HD 10.1 inch 16:9 format LCD screen. It offers up portable Freeview viewing of TV channels with a 7-day electronic program guide, built-in stereo speakers, and that very useful USB and micro SD card reader. You can also record from the television onto that external media too. The picture quality is more than acceptable. The sound is a tiny bit lacking, but again more than acceptable for portable viewing, and the flexibility of being able to run this off of the mains power adapter or the AA batteries make this a really good value proposition. This is the August DA100D, and if you're in the market for a portable TV that's got a lot of features, this is well worth checking out. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase one of these for yourself in the video description, and if you feel that you like this video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the Geek and Noise channel, and I'll see you in another video very soon.